speed for sure.
Our journey started with a simple idea: to explore the hidden corners of Waterford, to follow the winding roads, and to let the ocean guide our way. We began our journey in the shadow of Jerpoint Abbey. Walking among the ancient stone walls, it felt as though time itself slowed down. The whispers of monks long gone seemed to echo through the arches, reminding us how deep Ireland's history truly runs. As we wandered through Jerpoint Abbey, every corner revealed something new. The carved tombs, the tall arches, the way sunlight slipped through broken windows. Taking time to walk slowly, we could almost imagine the daily life that once filled these walls. From there, the road led us to the Dunmore Cliffs. The day was calm and bright, the ocean stretching endlessly beneath the sun. We found a spot at the top, sat down and shared a simple lunch. Eating sandwiches with that view felt like the perfect reminder. Sometimes the best moments are the quiet ones. But before our lunch on the cliffs, we made a stop at Dunmore Cave. Walking down into the cool air underground, we followed the steps deeper inside. The passages opened up into wide chambers, and the stone formations were fascinating to see. It was a short visit, but a really memorable one before heading back out into the sunshine. That evening, we set up our tents by the ocean. The place was quiet, just the sound of the waves in the background. We cooked a small barbecue, shared food, and enjoyed being outdoors together. As the sun went down, it felt like one of those simple moments that make a trip unforgettable. The next morning, we continued along the road through the countryside, passing green fields and winding lanes. Before long, we arrived at Portally Cove Beach. Tucked between cliffs, it felt like a hidden spot. The water was cold but clear, and of course, we couldn't resist jumping in for a swim. Later that day, we visited Dunbrody Abbey. Walking around the ruins, it was impressive to see how much of it still stands. The size of the walls and the details in the stone made us imagine what life might have been like here centuries ago. We took our time walking around Abbey. The open fields around it made the place feel calm, and with the sun shining, it was easy to just slow down and enjoy the view. It was the kind of spot where you don't rush, you just take it in. We ended our trip at Hook Lighthouse, and it couldn't have been a better ending. As we arrived, the light from the tower stood tall against the horizon, guiding ships just as it has done for centuries. The coastline around it was rugged and beautiful, with waves breaking against the rocks. We stayed to watch the sunset, and the whole scene turned golden. The sky shifted from bright orange to deep purple, and the ocean reflected every color. Standing there, it felt like time slowed down. It was peaceful, the kind of view you don't forget, the perfect way to finish our journey through Waterford.